Welcome to our channel, Target, Government Job. Events and Movements, 1919 to 1932. 1919, Jallianwala Bagh Massacre. 1919, Montague-Chelmsford Reforms. 1920, Khilafat Movement. 1920, Non-Cooperation Movement. 1922, Chauri-Chaura Incident. 1927, Simon Commission appointed. 1928, Arrival of Simon Commission in India. 1929, Bomb blast in Central Assembly by Bhagat Singh. 1929, Congress demands complete independence. 1930, Civil Disobedience Movement. 1930, First Round Table Conference. 1931, Second Round Table Conference. 1932, Third Round Table Conference. These are the events and movements from 1919 to 1932. Subscribe our channel for more content.